Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share with you my recent purchase from Hermes official website. I scored a handbag from their official website. So in today's video, first of all, I will show you which bag I got it. And actually, it is my wish list bag, and if you remember, I have two bags in my wish list. So this is one of them. I will do a little bit of size comparison with my current one in my collection. I will briefly share with you my experience purchase from online, how I scored it. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So let's start with the unboxing. I am so excited to share with you, and this I already took out the box outside, and this is what it comes with, and let's just do unboxing together. So here is the one, and when I got it, I just quickly do this unboxing video and want to share with you because it's very difficult to score the handbag from their official website. So here is the bag right here. They have a lot of the air paper. There we go. Dun, dun, dun. Here is the one. This is one of my wish list item. It is the Hermes Picton in the size 22 and in the gold color. So I am so excited. If you remember my wish list item, one is the Garden Party 30. One is the Picton 22. I already crossed out the quarter bag Cali 25. I'm no longer to chase this bag anymore. Instead, I would add two more gold color from Hermes. So this is one of them. And I'm so lucky that this time I scored this one. It comes with this, and I believe this is the lock and the key. So I will put them together. I will put it in to this bag so I show you guys. So this is the lock. Oh, by the way, this is the silver. It is the gold color with the silver hardware. So here you go. You will go through this. You put it lock here, and then you put a key. I normally don't keep the key with the bag, so I will put a key at home. So here is the way like this. So this is the size 22. I'm quickly gonna compare with the size 18. Here are the side by side, size 18 and the size 22. Not too much different. However, the handle is longer. And this one is shorter. 18 is smaller, but of course the capacity is a lot bigger than the 18. So I am so happy. This is the color I want. I want to do the gold color. I don't really care about the hardware, whether it's gold or silver. I don't mind at all, but I want to have this color for the bag. So that's the one that I got it online. So now let me briefly to talk about it, how I scored this bag, and I believe a lot of people wanted to know. Yes, the Hermes website, they do come up their handbags every single day, Monday to Friday. Saturday and then Sunday, they rarely upload any handbags. But Monday to Friday, they will upload some stocks on their website. So before this Picton 22, I was so close to get the Garden Party, which is another my 2024 wish list item. I was so close to get this bag. However, when I put this bag into the car, the next thing they ask me is my name, address, so I just fill out a credit card information. By the time I click to submit, it shows the item were already out of stock, so I lost this chance. Since this experience, so I learned a lesson. So next time when I went to their website the first thing I do is sign in, because I already have an account in the website. So I just sign in the website and just waiting for their stock to come. A few days later, I was driving, and my subby Yuri just texted me saying that, oh, that's Pickton 22 on the line. So I quickly to look at it, but meanwhile I was driving, so I don't get a chance to purchase this one. So I thought, okay, I just missed again, but the page is still there. So when I got home, I was talking to my friend. At the same time, I just refreshed this page, you know, from time to time during the conversation with my friend, and suddenly it just went to my car, and everything was so quick because I already signed in and all the information already in. So they just asked me my credit card information. When I click it, they just automatically fill in and only ask me the 3, you know, security code. I just type it in. After that, it just submit went there. So it was very quick. At that time I purchased it, but I was still on the phone with one of my friends. So that's how it happened. After I hang up, and at the same time Yuri also texts me, did you get it or something? I just tell her that I got it, and I still couldn't believe that I got it, because I wasn't really focused that time when I purchased this item, because I was on the phone, and at the same time I just, you know, refreshed the page, and suddenly it just went through. So that's how it happened. And what I want to share with you is, if you want buy something from their official website, the first thing is to sign in your account and put all your information into the account. Especially when you purchase the from their online, they also have your credit card information. The only thing they will ask you is the back of the card, those 3 digits of the security code. So you need to fill out. Everything else should be stored in their systems. It will speed up the process. So I think this is the most important. Whether they have or not, always when you go to their website, always sign in first. This is the first thing that I want to share with you. The second thing is, when you get into the page, if they have the bag you want, just click that bag, and even though it says not available, it is okay. Just keep refreshing the page and until they add more stock. I think my case is just like this, which I couldn't really remember what happened. When after I purchased that, I talked to Yuri, I feel like I'm dreaming, because I wasn't so focused on this purchase, and I still don't know how I got it, and but I do remember I was stay on that page. I wasn't in the home page, I was in the handbag page, which is this bag, because on the way home when I pick up my son from school, I saw this bag. So I was in the page of Pickton 22, this bag page. So I just keep a refresh and just hoping, you know, they can restock this bag. So it was very lucky they restock on that day. So I think I got it. I think this is my experience, how I scored this bag. I would like to share with you. I hope this video is helpful, and I hope you guys also can score your bag. This bag is in my wish list since last year. I did talk to my SA like September or October that time, and after that she never really answered me, because I never really shopping with her for a couple months. And I also mentioned in one of my videos that I'm just stop chasing those quarter bags. I rather to have this type of the bag that I know myself will use a lot more than the quarter bag. So after I decided this, I don't really care whether she can offer me or she cannot offer me, but good thing, you know, I still can get it for myself. So I will try the same method when I try to get another bag in my wishlist item, see how lucky I am. If I really get it, I will definitely share with you guys. And my next video, I will do deep comparison of these two bags, size 18 versus size 22. Which one you would like to get it? So that time you can see the details, including the model shots, including the capacity. So yeah, that's for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye bye.